Do you want to create an e-learning platform like Testbook or Gradeup? Introducing Spacetree Government Exam Add-on, your one-step solution to create a robust e-learning site easily. This WordPress plugin makes this challenging task of creating an educational platform into a simpler one. Simply build, manage and sell your courses online with this incredibly powerful LMS plugin. Whether you are an UPSC institute, or teaching SSC, banking or someone who's planning to get his classroom online, Spacetree LMS is the way to go. No other solution gives you more options for online tests, integrated with all the features such as question palette, negative marking, sectional time limit, and mark for review. All these features make it a complete solution for the mock test series. After submitting the quiz, user gets to see the result with explanation. At the bottom, the leaderboard displays the learners who obtain the best scores on quizzes in your courses. With inbuilt Zoom SDK integration, you can take live classes directly on your website. This complete white-labeled solution allows learners to join in one click without any Zoom account or app. For different range of devices, we designed fully responsive sites which help to improve SEO ranking. It also provides a better user experience. Spacetree LMS is feature-packed, works with any website and tons of other utilities that you would love to explore. It supports your entire course cycle, starting from creating, administering, sales and ending with rewards. Whether you are an independent instructor or SSC Institute, Banking Institute, UPSC Institute, Spacetree LMS is for you. Are you ready to reach out to thousands of students? Then Spacetree LMS is a perfect choice. Thank you for choosing Spacetree LMS.